Welcome back, everybody. We're taking a live look out over a crowded Myrtle Beach boardwalk. A lot of people have been out there enjoying their holiday weekend. It was a great day for the beaches. It was still warm out there, but it wasn't too humid. Look at that. That humidity only at 43%. Those dew points are down into the 50s along the beaches. That is nearly unheard of for July in South Carolina. It was just so comfortable out there today. And the good news is we're expecting still pretty pleasant conditions for the second half of your weekend, with more sunshine on the way and still the dry weather sticking around as well. Temperatures across the board right now, everybody is kind of on the cooler side. You can see about the 80s for everybody out there. 81 for Conway, 85 for Florence. Chirot sitting at 82 degrees right now. Checking out that muggy meter, like I said, we are expecting the dry weather to stick around all the way through till your Sunday, but we are going to gradually start to crank up the heat as we look forward to the rest of the week. By about Monday afternoon, you're going to start to feel a little bit sticky out there, and then we're back on the humid side by about Wednesday and Thursday. Highs tomorrow, it will actually be warmer than it was today. Still not as humid as what we're used to, but the actual air temperature, that will be just a little bit warmer. We're back up into the upper 80s along the beaches, low 90s everywhere else. Today, pretty much everybody was really only in the 80s. You're looking at a high of 92 for Florence and for Marion, 93 for Conway, 88 for North Myrtle Beach, as well as for Myrtle Beach. Tracking the tropics right now, like we mentioned earlier, we are now dealing with Tropical Storm Elsa. If we take a look at the satellite and radar, you can see not very well organized. That center of rotation right now sitting just south of Haiti, right about there. But overall, the system is looking pretty ragged. It's got about 70-mile-per-hour wind speeds right now. 74 is considered Category 1 hurricane status, so it is definitely weaker than it was this time yesterday. Still moving at the same speed it has for the past couple of days, still west-northwest at about 28 miles per hour. So what we're tracking with this system, it's going to continue to move to the west, kind of splitting the difference between Jamaica and Cuba. And then as we look forward to Monday afternoon, Monday morning, that's when we start to see this system take a turn to the north. It's going to cross over Cuba, crossing over some pretty high terrain, which will help to keep it on the weaker side, keeping it as a tropical storm as it tracks up towards Florida, and then eventually moving back out towards our area. We're expecting some of the impacts Wednesday afternoon as this system moves closer to our area. One of the biggest things with this system has been the uncertainty with the models. There's been a wide spread in the overall track as it moves closer to Florida. Over the past couple of days, it's becoming a bit more in agreement that it's going to stay to the western side of Florida before moving towards our area. But again, keeping very close to the coast, and that means that once it does move on land, it's still going to have access to those warmer ocean temperatures, still has potential to maintain its strength as a tropical storm as it moves through our area. 7-day forecast, beautiful for tomorrow, same for Monday, really not cranking up the heat and the humidity till about Tuesday, and then by Wednesday we're back up on the hot and warm side. Lots of sunshine on the way as well. Chance for some storms as we look forward to midweek. It's going to be Wednesday into Thursday when we're seeing that chance for Tropical Storm Elsa to affect our weather. We'll continue to track it as it moves closer to our area.
Brittany.